Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting topics in the no-code world, the best Lovable alternatives in 2026. If you have been using Lovable or have seen it on social media, you probably know how popular it has become as an AI-powered web builder. It helps people create stunning websites in minutes just by typing a few prompts. But while Lovable is great for beginners and quick builds, it is not perfect. In fact, many users have started to look for other tools that offer more flexibility, more power, and better long-term results. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the best Lovable alternatives available right now. We will talk about what makes Lovable special, what its weaknesses are, and which 3 platforms are stepping up as better options this year. And of course, we will reveal why Base 44 is taking the #1 spot. Let us start with what makes Lovable so popular. Lovable took the no-code world by storm because it uses AI to generate websites instantly. You describe what you want, and within seconds it creates an entire layout, complete with sections, images, and text. It is like having a web designer working for you in real time. It is great for small business owners, freelancers, or creators who want to launch something quickly without having to deal with coding or design work. But here is the catch. Lovable is fast and fun to use at first, but when you start getting serious with your project, you might notice its limits. While it generates nice designs, it does not give you much control when you want to customize deeper elements. For example, if you want to change the structure, add specific animations, or create a custom database, you are going to hit a wall pretty fast. This is fine if you are making a one-page portfolio or a basic landing page, but not so great if you plan to build a scalable product or a complete web app. Another issue users often mention is that Lovable's AI sometimes generates layouts that look similar to each other. You get that sense that every project has the same vibe, even with different prompts. There is also the fact that Lovable focuses mostly on websites and landing pages, not full-scale apps. So for teams or startups that want more control and complex logic, Lovable might feel too simple, and that is where alternatives come in. Over the past year, several new tools have appeared that give users the same AI-powered experience but with better performance and customization. So here are the top 3 Lovable alternatives for 2026. Number 3 is Glide. Glide has been around for a few years now, and it is one of the easiest ways to turn spreadsheets into fully functional mobile or web apps. If you have data in Google Sheets or Airtable, you can connect it to Glide and instantly get an app with all your data visualized. It is perfect for small teams, businesses, or schools that want something functional, fast. Glide is not meant for beautiful landing pages like Lovable, but it is amazing for apps that actually do something. For example, a delivery tracker, a company dashboard, or a project manager. You do not need to code anything, and you can update your app just by editing your spreadsheet. The second spot goes to Softr. Softr is often described as the creative alternative to Lovable because it combines design flexibility with a strong database system. You can build websites, apps, membership platforms, and client portals, all powered by your Airtable or Notion data. What makes Softr great is its clean interface and visual editing power. It gives you the ability to design your own structure instead of just relying on AI. Softr also added AI-assisted building features that help you auto-generate layouts and copy, which saves time. But unlike Lovable, Softr lets you adjust everything manually, so you can make sure your site looks exactly how you want. Softr is especially popular among creators, agencies, and educators who want both functionality and branding. Now let us talk about the #1 Lovable alternative, Base 44. Base 44 is currently the most powerful AI builder that takes the idea behind Lovable and evolves it into something much smarter and more flexible. It works the same way. You just chat with the AI and tell it what you want to build. But what makes Base 44 different is how much control it gives you after generation. The AI not only builds the visual design, but also understands logic and structure. You can tell it to add a sign-up system, an e-commerce section, or even integrate APIs, and it will handle everything automatically. Base 44 is fast, intuitive, and built for creators who want both simplicity and depth. You can build an entire web app or website from scratch in minutes and still have full control to adjust every detail later. The AI builder inside Base 44 feels like working with a real human developer. It asks questions when it needs more details and gives you options to fine-tune your project step by step. Another great thing about Base 44 is its flexibility. Lovable often limits you once your site is generated, but Base 44 allows continuous editing. You can type simple commands like make the header larger or change the theme to dark mode, and the AI applies it instantly. You can also create databases, add logic, or connect external tools without needing to touch any code. Base 44 is also expanding fast. It is not just a web builder, it is turning into a full creation ecosystem with AI workflows, user authentication, and real-time collaboration features launching. Soon, the platform is growing into something that can compete with traditional no-code builders like Bubble or Webflow while still being easier and faster to use. The pricing is another reason people prefer Base 44 over Lovable. Lovable's plans can get expensive once you start publishing multiple projects, but Base 44 keeps things more accessible while offering more professional tools for serious users. To wrap things up, here is a quick recap. Lovable is still an excellent tool if you want to build quick and beautiful websites in minutes. It is perfect for beginners who just want to see results fast. However, if you are hitting its limits and want something more powerful, Glide is great for simple functional apps. Softr is great for professional design flexibility, and Base 44 is the best of all worlds, combining AI speed, smart automation, and full creative control. If you are someone who loves Lovable but wishes it could do more, Base 44 is the perfect upgrade. It lets you build faster, go deeper, and actually scale your project without having to start over. So that is it for today's video about the best Lovable alternatives in 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest, no-code reviews and AI tool comparisons. Comment down below which builder you are currently using or planning to switch to. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.